I met Billy when his life had just begun. And I met Billy before he ever picked up a gun. I met Billy before he rode west. And I met Billy before he was ever put to the test. He liked to ride in the rain before it become mean. He liked singing before the shooting became routine. He rode in the rivers and he rode in the plains. Most redskins were his friends, although they never knew his name. And I met Billy before he met the love of his life. He took a few hearts, but he never took a wife. He was a homely young man with a calming smile. He just liked killing, so he did that for a while. He lived in the saddle, so he stayed lean. Yeah, I knew Billy before he became mean. I ran into him down in San Angelo. He told me it was about his time to go. He had a premonition the day I said no, when Davy Crockett asked him to defend that old Alamo. And it weren't long after that, I got word that he died where he sat. It was a long-range rifle. Some fool shot him right out of the saddle. He didn't get to have that one last battle. Some say it was Pat Garrett. Anyway, that's how the story goes. But from what I understand, really, nobody knows. But I met Billy when he was still young. Yeah, I met Billy before he picked up a gun. And I met Millie before Abilene. Yeah, I met Billy before he became mean. I met Billy before anybody did. Yeah, I met Billy. Wild Billy Bonnie. Billy the Kid.